Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the right assets and access. Sign into your Google account and open YouTube Studio, then go straight to the audio library. Browse categories, free music, Creative Commons, or paid licenses. Choose one path now. Free is fastest, licensed music grants safety. While selecting, check the license type line. It tells you whether attribution is required and what uses are allowed. Once a track looks right, download the file and save it in a named project folder for easy version control. Now you prepare the audio for upload and document permissions. Import the track into your editor, trim unwanted parts, normalize volume, and export as MP3 or WAV depending on your video needs. While exporting, add clear metadata, track title, artist, and the exact license line. Make a small text file or screenshot of the license and store it with your export. This creates traceable proof, so if a claim appears, you can respond quickly with specifics. Make backups in 2 locations, cloud plus local. Finish by publishing correctly and monitoring for issues. Upload your video and paste the attribution line into the description exactly as the license requires. Include links only if instructed. Enable manual claiming checks in YouTube Studio and watch the copyright tab for matches. If a claim appears, submit your stored license or screenshot immediately. Explain how your use complies. If a block remains, swap to a licensed replacement or file a takedown counter only when you have unambiguous rights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.